People this summer at Kaaterskill Falls in the Catskills is prompting local officials to call for tighter safety regulations on the Kaaterskill Falls Trail. And then a month prior to that,
lost her footing at the edge of a cliff and fell more than 150
Emergency
feet.
personnel lined State Route 23A and
Warning
reduced traffic.
hikers to obey all posted signs and wear appropriate footwear.
I've done this hike many times over the years, but to call it the deadliest waterfall in New York was news to me. The last time I hiked Kaaterskill was in the winter with Amber, and had we not had micro spikes, it would have made the hike a lot more dangerous. Now, it was the start of fall and no ice, but there's still something to be cautious about. A few things, actually. There's a lot more color than anticipated. I thought we were still early. It doesn't look too busy. See a couple cars, but we're gonna go have us some second breakfast. Should be a nice little hike. Smooth, my boy. I'm like 2 minutes into this hike and I'm geeking. Like, look how tall these trees are. With the foliage making its way towards peak, I wanted to hike the falls again and experience second breakfast by the waterfall. As I make my journey, I'll share some tips to help me stay safe towards potential high-risk activity. So usually there's a lot less space between this part and to get to the other side of the falls. It looks like either it's just pretty dry or they just made like a bridge. But another way to get across is from here, and you can walk behind the waterfall. Where I want to get to is right here. And there go the stairs. I saw a video online on YouTube like 11 or 10 years ago where there were no stairs. There was like a rope people had to like climb down, dolo, no help, and figure that shit out. Usually after a storm, the water's a lot more powerful. It's pretty mellow now. I think decreases the chances of like accidents and like slipping on rocks and whatnot. It's beautiful though. Is it another drone? That's another drone. We'll wait. Yeah, we'll wait. I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. It is though. It is though. There's a gang of niggas coming. And my social anxiety is on an all-time. Hello. How are you? Hello.
ooh, nice up.
Thank you, thank you. As I was making haste to the many steep stairs ahead, I remembered that I forgot something very important. I cannot believe I forgot the chicken in the freezer. Why did I bring this pan, bro? Throughout the hike, there are many signs regarding dangers on the cliffs, but to be honest, I didn't really pay attention to them until I came here with Amber earlier this year.
Rescues are difficult and delayed in this area. Trail becomes steep and more difficult.
No, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. We'll be all right, let's go, we'll be all right. Trekking through these stairs felt like a breeze today, with hiking poles, proper hiking shoes, and on a dry surface. Here's where the crampons came in handy back in the winter. Although there was no snow, there was something else. Oh, shit. Nigga. Okay, so here's the breakdown of second breakfast. Homegrown kale and pak choy from the garden bed of Kwesi Ray. Tomatoes from the farmer's market. Onions from Hannaford. Store-bought vinaigrette salad dressing. And the grilled chicken I was gonna cook right here that's still in the freezer. Chopped apples from the Masker Orchard in Warwick, New York, as well as freshly squeezed apple juice from the same orchard. And to top it off, added a dash of rum. Because why not? Bro, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way I just broke this fork. The first part of the hike, I stumbled upon a leaf that embodied what fall was for me. I spent 15 minutes trying to identify what tree this leaf came off of. Soon after, and slightly inebriated, I started my trek home. I'm gonna save some for the journey home. I don't think there will be a journey home, Mr. Frodo. The last tip for you all is hands down an important one. Leave no trace, fam. Do your best to take out everything that you took in. This empty bag of chips was but a fraction of the garbage I saw on the trail. I always feel honored to be in community with nature. There's a sense of respect that goes both ways. Damn. Being reasonable and respecting the grounds is a way to make sure these trails are here for us and everyone else to enjoy. So be safe out there, and thanks for watching.